Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Exness to TradingView. First of all, go to the TradingView website and navigate to the Brokers tab. Here you will see a list of all the brokers that can be connected to TradingView. But unfortunately, Exness is not on the list, as it doesn't directly connect to TradingView. However, there are two options to consider. Exness Terminal. This is Exness' own web-based trading platform, which incorporates charting powered by TradingView. While you can't trade directly inside TradingView, the charts are the same. So it functions similarly to TradingView in terms of analysis. Another option is paper trading on TradingView. While you won't be able to connect Exness directly, you can still use TradingView for paper trading, which allows you to simulate trades using virtual funds. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. So please like and subscribe to our channel.